Alright, so imagine this. You're literally standing in a store right now, holding an iPhone 17 Pro Max, about to swipe your card. But then someone taps you on the shoulder and says, wait, in just a few months, Apple might drop something way better. Yeah, that's exactly the situation we're in, because the iPhone 18 Pro and 18 Pro Max are now close enough that leaks are starting to paint a very interesting picture. And honestly, there are some seriously convincing reasons why waiting could be the smarter move this year. Let's start with something simple, but surprisingly important: colors. If you weren't blown away by the current Pro finishes, the next generation could feel completely different. Early reports suggest deeper, richer tones like a kind of dark maroon, a bold purple, and even a softer neutral shade that looks almost premium beige. It's a shift away from the typical safe choices. Ironically though, classic black and white might not be returning just yet. So if you love dramatic finishes, this might finally be your year. Then there's the design tweak. Right now, the back has that very obvious two-material look, especially around the MagSafe area, but Apple could either blend everything into one seamless finish or go the complete opposite direction and introduce a slightly translucent rear panel where you can subtly see internal components. Not fully transparent, but just enough to make tech nerds very happy. Another small but meaningful change could be thickness. We're talking tiny, fractions of a millimeter, but the reason behind it matters. Apple may be using that extra space to push battery capacity just a bit further. Combine that with a new battery technology and suddenly you're not just getting longer endurance, you're getting smarter endurance. And that connects directly to the processor. The rumored A20 Pro chip is expected to move to a 2-nanometer process. That sounds like marketing jargon until you realize what it actually means. More performance, less power draw, better thermals, basically. Your phone feels faster while lasting longer. That's the dream combo. Connectivity is also getting interesting. A next-gen modem could improve signal stability and efficiency, but the real headline feature might be expanded satellite capabilities. Think about being somewhere with zero network and still being able to send messages, maybe even browse lightly. It's not about streaming movies in the wilderness. It's about never feeling disconnected. On the front, Face ID could evolve too. The dynamic island might shrink, or at least become less intrusive, thanks to under-display sensor progress. Even if it doesn't disappear completely, the visual experience could feel cleaner and more futuristic. Selfie lovers might notice a bump in front camera resolution as well, with a new sensor designed for sharper detail and better light capture. Meanwhile, the main rear camera system could see one of the biggest shifts in years. Apple is rumored to be experimenting with a completely new sensor supplier and even variable aperture, something that lets the camera physically control how much light enters, just like professional cameras. That means more natural depth, better night shots, and greater creative control. Even smaller components like the capture button might get redesigned to improve durability and reduce repair costs. Not flashy, but very practical. So when you zoom out and look at the full picture, subtle design evolution, smarter battery life, next-gen silicon, camera innovation, and deeper connectivity, the iPhone 18 Pro lineup starts to feel less like a routine update and more like a refinement year where lots of pieces finally come together. Now the real question is, are you the kind of person who upgrades the moment something new drops? Or the kind who plays the long game and waits for the bigger leap? If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more deep dives into upcoming tech before anyone else makes sense of the leaks, you know what to do. Stick around because there's a lot more coming very soon.